Hi everyone. We doing our mud face. Make sure it's not selfish.
Self-care is not selfish, huh? So what do we got going on today? What do we need to do?
Okay, so we need to do this one or this one. This one's the orange and this one's the black one. So we need to pick hard. See,
What do you gotta pick?
this one.
Okay. I got this
Okay, let me get
for my
our
birthday a
silver.
long time ago. I think I got it from my friend Nicole. Shout out to Coco.
Yep.
Oh, that's okay. I open it.
Uh,
And, oh, let's see if this is still good. Oh, nice. These are actually
wait.
These are actually masks. Masks. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so fun to put on your face. Okay, pull your hair back. And I'll put it in a ponytail. Okay, this is what you do. You put this on your face. Okay, you got it on? Okay. You look fabulous. At least there's another one there. Oh, that's the only one. You get that one. I guess I get the black mud. Let me see how long you keep it on for your face. Hold on. 15 to 20 minutes. Oh man, that's really funny. Okay, and this one. Okay, cleanse your face and then massage it on and then clean. Okay, so wash my face. Dude, you look
Let's
so...
go to rock paw.
Okay. Okay.
But how about this too? Mom, touch it to rock paw.
Okay.
Touch it, so funny.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh.
I want that time.
You want this?
I didn't know this one. I wanted the orange time.
I thought it was orange. I didn't know it was gonna be. This is a big thing. I guess you need to. We both need to actually read what's on the box before we choose stuff, huh? Okay. What do you think? Oh wow. I think this is an awesome thing. We should start self-care with Shayne. Okay, we'll be back in 15 minutes. Bye.
Well, we don't want to take this off.
Okay, we're back. We're going to take this off. This one says not to rinse, but you can just rub in the extra serum all around your face. Ooh, look how fresh you look. That must feel really nice since we live in Utah.
Yeah.
It's super dry.
And I love this, but it's taking my face so funny.
Made your face look so funny.
Yeah.
Totally
and I don't really like this.
Okay.
Comment
gonna rinse mine
below
off.
if you want this, and we will come back if you want. I love my face mask, and
It looks good, huh?
yeah, it's
Makes
good.
it fresh.
Yes, it
Yeah.
makes us happy.
Ooh, yeah.
And
If you like what you see and you want more self-care with Shayney,
and tan.
we'll do something new next time.
And we will dye our hair. We have purple and pink and blue.
Oh my goodness. So stay tuned. Like it if you like it.
And on the sunset and the side.